Welcome to the Boxy Innovation Lab, where we come up with revolutionary formulas that create the best litter experience for cats and their parents. My name is Annie, and I'm excited to talk to you about Boxy Clay Litter. Let's dive in. At Boxy, we encourage you to think outside the box. We always consider the impact that our products have on your furry friend, your home, your health, and the environment. That's why Boxy formulas put cat, human, and home health at the forefront of every science-backed formulation. Our mission is proactive pet health, which is why we're always thinking about innovative solutions for products on the market. Here's the scoop on our best-selling line of clumping clay litters. Our clay formulations are award-winning for a reason. Boxy proprietary clumping technology traps odor immediately, resulting in an odor-free litter experience for up to 40 days, 2 times longer than other litters. Other benefits of our clay formulations: veterinarian recommended, 99.9% dust-free, Boxy products are hypoallergenic, which makes them a great solution for cat and human allergies. No artificial fragrances, no fillers, no preservatives. Our proprietary clumping technology makes daily scooping so easy. Our best-selling clumping clay litters come in a variety of SKUs based on what you're looking for. Probiotics. Self-cleaning probiotics plus 40-day odor control for the cleanest litter experience on the market. Extra strength for those hypersensitive to odor or for multi-cat households. Unscented. Our original clumping clay formula, tried and true, 100% bentonite clay without additives, artificial fragrances, or toxic ingredients. Gently scented. For those looking for superior performance and want an additional scent to support with odor control. This scent is vet formulated to be safe for cats and enjoyable for humans. Glow. Our newest innovation for cats who have behavioral issues or litter box aversion. Okay, we are going to use our best-selling probiotic litter for this demo. Pour litter into your cat's litter box, ensuring there's 3 inches of litter in your box at all times. Boxy litter works great with any type of litter box, including automatic litter boxes. Look at that, hardly any dust at all. Now, let's watch our clumping technology in action. Notice how the clump forms at the top of the litter, ensuring the rest of the litter stays dry and odor-free on the bottom. Look at how easy it is to scoop out. Pro tip number 1, our 28-pound bags, perfect for a multi-cat household or a 2-month supply, have a handle to assist with pouring. Clay litter isn't light. Pro tip number 2, if you hate tracking and the potential waste spread around your home, let's be honest, your cat goes everywhere. We recommend our probiotic line, which works 24/7 to clean your litter by eliminating odor and waste between uses. Like a new litter box with every use. Don't forget to check out our Scoop and Tie bags. In line with making your overall litter experience as enjoyable as possible, we wanted to create a product that made scooping litter easier and cleaner. At Boxy, we're all ears all the time. Please don't hesitate to reach out to our cat concierge with any questions you may have. We are here to make your litter experience perfect. Thank you for being a part of our litter family.